Would you like to become an Imperial Master? Then join us. Hello, I'm Imperial Master Jeong Soo Park. There are two things everyone mentions to be the hardest in doing the Atomy business. The first is having to spend your first 2 to 3 years establishing your customers, even if this does not lead to any profit. The second part is the part of maintaining relationships, interpersonal relationships, I guess, since we're in this together. Maintaining good interpersonal relations is a must to have good teamwork. And only with good teamwork can business flow smoothly. I've come to think that any conflict between two people is essentially caused by greed. What I mean by greed here is this. For a sponsor, the greed is in feeling disappointed with a partner whom you'd expect to be good to you, and to do certain things which he or she did not. For a partner, the greed is in feeling let down by a sponsor. So essentially, the two keep wanting something from each other. The more you expect something, the more likely that you'll be disappointed, and as that disappointment increases, it inevitably leads to conflict. One time, I was listening to my pastor's sermon. A human being is composed of a single body. When the body and all of its parts truly become one, anything is possible. The eyes, nose, mouth, hands, and feet are all a part of the body. Yet each part has a different job to perform. Without this division of labor, nothing is possible. As I listened to the sermon, I came to apply the same reasoning. Each and every one of our members make up the whole. And of those, some are our eyes, some are nose, and some are mouth. Some are the hands, while others are the feet. It is only when all of these members become one that we get to perform a great job. So each and every one of us exists for a given purpose. It only takes a single part of the whole to fail for the rest to fall apart. In the end, it's about teamwork. And the most important factor in achieving this teamwork is to give every person the recognition he or she deserves. Some are gifted in giving lectures, some are gifted in sales, and some in servicing others. The work we do is composed in individual functional parts, and it turns out each person is talented in a certain part. As we start recognizing that talent in each other, we would begin to praise each other for that talent. Two people who praise each other can in no way dislike each other. It's human nature to like someone who likes you and praises you. Someone who is good at praising others is always bound to attract more people. There's a phrase we say, a window to your soul. Even if you don't express all your true feelings, you can tell things like, this must be what he or she is thinking about. This person must like me, or this person dislikes me. To sincerely acknowledge and appreciate someone wholeheartedly is what I think is extremely important. This is how I came to give all my partners the appreciation they deserve. Once I said I wouldn't be here today if it wasn't for you. Surprisingly, what I got returned was I shall work even harder then. When you gave appreciation and praise for someone, what you got in return was a promise to work even harder, to believe that our work is possible, and truly come together as one. We need to acknowledge and appreciate each other. Wouldn't it be great to have this culture? If so, teamwork would come naturally, and such teamwork brings forth an amazing synergy effect, you know? So if Imperial Master is truly what you'd like to become, I think teamwork is something that you must achieve. To provide you one more tip for teamwork, it is the desire to want to give what you have to others, however big or small it may be. When I provide something for someone, however small, that person would open up to me considerably. Then our relationship gets better. I would feel our relationship improve significantly. Back when I first started this, there was this contractor and she was a homemaker. She told me that she has no relationships whatsoever. She said she knew no one and that she had no place to visit. So this is how I advised her in how to form interpersonal relationships. You're great at making kimchi. You make delicious stir-fried anchovies. So when you make them, take some for your neighbors, perhaps to your dry cleaners, saying, I made some delicious kimchi today and I thought you'd like some. Try bringing them some kimchi as a kind gesture. From that moment, the owner of the shop will look at you differently. Later on, when you ask the owner, "There's this product we carry, would you like to give it a try?" the chances of him or her accepting your offer is very high. When it comes to the relationship between sponsors and partners too, you must think in terms of each other's gain, not your own profits. It is to want your sponsor to actually make more as a result of your efforts. With this attitude, you would want to be of genuine help to your sponsor. And if you're a sponsor, you would seek ways to help your partner, knowing how hard he or she is trying. As long as you have this genuine heart for each other, I believe there would be no room for conflict in your team whatsoever. Look at the lines with great teamwork. And you'll notice that no one gives up. They move forward and far ahead together. No matter what, we're in this together. Without each other, we won't make it to the end. So I hope you and those around you, be it sponsors or partners, will be in this together as a team, no matter what. If so, it will be a success not just for a single person, but a success for the whole team and everyone who's part of it.